Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready, Set, Drone, and today I want to tell you about an event that I am very excited to discuss and announce. It is SpinUp 2020, so stay tuned.
Well, first of all, let me thank everybody for coming out here. It's so great to see all of my digital friends.
SpinUp this year, because of the pandemic and everything, is going to be virtual. I see this as an opportunity for us to grow this event because I feel like we can reach more people through a live stream globally, not only in terms of people watching, but also in terms of who can come to speak. We can do a lot of these presentations virtually, so I'm excited about the number of speakers and the global nature of the speakers that we're going to have this year. We've got some people who are coming here in the studio who will be with me, who will be co-hosting the show throughout the day. We'll have people presenting live from different locations around the country and around the world, as well as pre-recorded presentations from a variety of speakers who will be doing special presentations just for SpinUp. Now, this event is for people who enjoy flying drones, whether that's as a hobby flying toy drones, whether that's racing FPV or doing FPV freestyle. We're really trying to get more of the FPV community involved this year, whether that is camera drones, DJI drones, home-built kits, all that kind of thing. If you like those kind of things, you'll definitely want to tune in on September 12th, starting at 10 a.m. Central Time here in the US. And once again, I'm really grateful and thankful for our sponsors. DJI has stepped up for the third year in a row to be our platinum sponsor, and we'll be giving away a bunch of their products. The Drone Racing League is going to also be a sponsor this year. They're going to provide us not only content from their pilots as speakers, but also some great swag from DRL and some opportunities to win some things that haven't even been announced yet. We also have Emax that will be giving away some of their Tiny Hawks and their racing car, their FPV racing car. If you've never seen the Interceptor, it's a ton of fun. I did a video about it and I love playing with that thing. And then finally, we've got Remote Pilot 101, who is going to be giving away free courses if you're interested in learning how to fly professionally and get your Part 107. So there are three ways to participate in SpinUp this year. Number one, come watch on YouTube on Ready Set Drone's channel on September 12th at 10 a.m. Central Time. There is absolutely no charge to do this. You can participate in the chat, and we would love to have you watching. Our goal is to get as many people watching that day live as possible. Number two, if you'd like to buy a ticket, that gives you the opportunity for a couple things. Number one, it's going to give you a lot of appreciation from us, as well as shout outs during the day. We'll be shouting out our ticket holders and the opportunity to win the prizes. We're going to give away a ton of stuff that day. I've got people who are offering to give away things, both individuals and companies, as well as our sponsors, Emax and Remote Pilot 101 and DRL and DJI, all giving away stuff. So we should have a lot of great giveaways. If you buy a ticket, you can win, and that is the only way to win. Plus, ticket holders will have access to a private chat area that we're going to set up. And then finally, if you want to be a hero for the event, you'll see more details about that on the website. But heroes are going to be giving above and beyond to help support this event and make it all happen. And they'll have things like a limited edition t-shirt, a Ready Set Drone hat that I'm going to have made just for this event, as well as a lot of other prizes and a lot of recognition. So thank you to our heroes who have already signed up to be heroes. And thank you to our ticket holders who have bought tickets. And thank you to anyone who's going to participate that day. If you tune in, I think you're going to really enjoy yourself and learn a lot about drones from all of these great speakers, as well as from the other people in the community. Now, I also want to talk about a follow-on event that we're going to have, which will happen on September 26th in Dillon, Colorado. Dillon is about an hour and a half away from Denver, so you would either fly or drive to Denver. I guess if you were driving, you could drive straight to Dillon. It's a place I visited Sean Ozz earlier this year and hung out with him and Ed Ricker. We had a great time snowboarding and going out on a frozen lake and doing a lot of snow and outdoor activities, including flying some drones and some tiny whoops. Well, this year we're going to do spin down in Dillon, right on that same lake. It's Lake Dillon. It is one of the highest deep water alpine lakes in the country, and we've rented a pavilion. Now here's the catch. Because of COVID, we can actually only have 50 people on this pavilion at any given time. Right now, that's the regulation I've been told. So we're only going to sell 50 tickets to this event. We are not trying to make money on this event. The tickets are merely to cover the costs. This pavilion was $900 to rent, if you can believe it, for the day, but it is so beautiful, I think it's well worth it. I've already paid for the pavilion, so basically we're trying to get 50 people at 30 bucks a pop, which will put $1,500 into the pot to pay for the rental of the space, as well as food for a barbecue that we're gonna have that day. We'll also be doing a live stream from Sean's tattoo shop Friday evening before the actual meetup, which will be on September 25th, Friday. And so if you want to pop in and participate in the live stream, you're welcome to do that as well. There's more information about that at spindown2020.com. So I want to mention two quick things about the tickets. Number one, the standard ticket price right now is $15, but that will go up to $20 on July 1st. So if you want to get your ticket for 15 bucks, buy it in June before they go up to 20 in July. Number two, if you join the flight crew, you actually get a free standard ticket. You'll get a code which will allow you to get a free standard ticket and participate in the private chat as well as the giveaways. And the hero tickets, if you're part of the flight crew, are half price. So basically, joining the flight crew is a great way to get a discount on the ticket. But if you're not interested in doing that and you just want to buy a ticket, you can do that. And if you're not interested in any of that, just tune in. We would love to have you regardless of whether you want to buy a ticket or not, win prizes and all that good stuff. And I want to say that SpinUp is not just Ready, Set, Drone. This is a collaborative effort between our sponsors, the people that view, our audience, other creators, lots of people involved in putting this together and making this a success, including you. So mark your calendar for September 12th at 10 a.m. Central Time in the US, and please join us for SpinUp. We look forward to seeing you there.